famous, been around for years, Hay Street brothel, which you know is the Pink House. Only original brothel left in Kalgoorlie. Carmel, the lady's name is, who's the madam down there, beautiful. And then there was the Red House, which is closed down now, and it's basically just for accommodation now. But that used to be the old thing. That's the old stalls. The girls would stand in the stalls and hopefully entice you to come in for some for a biscuit and a cup of tea, whatever they do. So that's it. This is the famous Pink House, oldest brothel in Australia. They were the living quarters where the girls slept during the day. At the front is where they worked at night. Tours are available, 3 p.m. daily, and really popular. So if you do happen to come this way, definitely, that's definitely a tour. I reckon it was well be very interesting to go on. All right, guys, let's keep going. Basically, I remember back in, I think it was